Good afternoon, everyone. First of all, let me thank Jaya ma'am for giving me this opportunity to express my gratitude in public. My association with Children's House, it started way back in 2016 when we tried to find a school for my first child. I still remember the first day, the loving and caring teachers, like he was trying to climb the window. The teacher didn't stop him. She didn't say no. She was just standing close to him. And when he was starting to stumble, she caught him. And that's when she said, see, this is why you shouldn't climb the window. I really, really liked that approach. And when we came outside, I saw a child sitting on Archie's lap. She was not interested in going into the classroom. But nobody pressured her. You have to go to the classroom. Nobody said that. She was simply hanging out. And then when she was ready, so this is what I like about Children's House. We see our kids as simple kids. They see them as a small person. They actually care about the overall personality development of the kid. It is not about learning 1, 2, 3s or ABCs with the kid. They focus more on overall personality development. And I really, really like the way they emphasize on eating healthy food. Now, we all know everyone eats junk all that many times now. We cannot stop our child from asking for junk food. It is happening. Whether we accept it or not, it is happening. But what difference Children's House makes is the child is aware that what they are asking is unhealthy. So they are able to choose for themselves. Like this, okay, we need to eat healthy food all the time. Unhealthy food is okay. This food awareness is very, very important at this day and age. And another thing, they focus more on child safety also. I think they will be giving a speech and my kids are coming home and talking and expressing themselves without any hindrance. And that is what I like about Children's House also. And even though, and the kids, they get excited about worksheets and activities. As parents, what we need to do is only thing, just let them do their homework. Many parents are generally against having homework for younger kids. But I can see, with my first child also, the dedication towards homework, it is actually very good. We don't have to force them to do the homework. They are doing it on their own. They are doing the learning on their own through activities. So this is what I really loved about Children's House. And this is actually a bittersweet experience for me because my children are graduating this year. But I really wish the best for the school. And also, at this opportunity, ஆச்சியை நான் ரொம்ப நன்றி தெரிவிச்சுக்கிறேன். என்னுடைய குழந்தைங்க எல்லாத்தையும் ஆச்சி ரொம்ப நல்லா பார்த்துக்கிட்டாங்க. டெய்லி வேனில் தான் போவாங்க, வேனில் தான் வருவாங்க. ஒரு நாள் கூட ஆச்சி கோபமாவோ ஒரு முகசுலி போடையோ நான் பார்த்ததே கிடையாது. குழந்தைங்க தூங்கிட்டு இருந்தாலும் சரி, சாப்பிட்டுட்டு இருந்தாலும் சரி, ஊட்டிக்கிட்டு இருந்தாலும் சரி, ஆச்சி எப்பயும் சிரிச்ச முகத்தோடு அவங்கள பார்த்துக்கிட்டே இருப்பாங்க. இந்த மாதிரி ஒரு கேர்டேக்கர் இருக்கிற ஸ்கூல் மற்ற இடங்கள்ல இருக்கான்னு தெரியல. ஸோ ஐ ரியலி விஷ் all the best for Children's House and teachers' creativity. I should definitely mention that. From my first child, I have seen 5 annual days. Until now, I have not seen any repeat performance. Every single item is new. Their creativity is amazing. And all the backdrops that they use for all the celebration, it is all recurring events. The same Independence Day is going to happen year after year after year. But the backdrop they have, the creativity and the effort they put into creating beautiful memories, it is very, very nice. Jaya ma'am, I really wish the school to become a huge, huge success. I want you to expand more. I want you to take in more kids because I want all the child to have the experience that my kids have. So all the very best. Thank you so much, teachers. And Achi, romba nandri Achi. Thank you.